Hansa's Matrix M410 laser 3D printing equipment, suitable for processing complex parts in industries such as molds, 3C, and automobiles, such as instrument molds, topology structure molds, electrical molds, mobile phone exterior shells, automotive differentials, automotive gearboxes, etc. It can process various metal materials such as stainless steel, mold steel, cobalt-based alloys, high-temperature alloys, titanium alloys, aluminum alloys, etc., with a maximum forming size of 450 mm*, 350 mm*, 400 mm. The equipment adopts a 6-mirror layout, suitable for efficient batch printing, bidirectional powder spreading, and is equipped with precision adjustable scrapers to ensure powder spreading efficiency and accuracy. It is also equipped with a fully open process parameter package for easy secondary development of the equipment. Hans Matrix expert in metal material 3D printing.